Welcome Highland High School. This video will walk you through the online scheduling process for the upcoming school year. Before logging in, you should have already taken a look at your color scheduling sheet, spoken with your parents and teachers, and selected the classes you are interested in taking next year. Use your color scheduling form to guide you as you schedule online. We begin by logging into your PowerSchool through Clever. On the left side of the screen, select the class registration icon. For each subject, you will see a pencil icon to the right. By clicking on this pencil, you are able to see which classes your teachers have recommended you for. Subjects with red exclamation points next to the pencil icons must be completed in order to be able to submit your course requests at the end. These are your core classes: English, Math, Science, and Social Studies. Your screen can have several pages at the bottom. Make sure you scroll down and go through all pages for each subject area to see all of your scheduling options. For example, when scheduling your English class, you will select the pencil and click both semesters of English or Honors English, whatever you plan on taking. If you are not recommended for an honors level course, that course will be grayed out and will not be an option for selection. If you wish to take a course that is not available for selection, select both semesters of the course that is available and speak with your teacher and counselor at a later time. Once you have selected both semesters, scroll down to the bottom and click OK. Using your color schedule sheet as guidance, continue to complete this process for all areas that have the red exclamation point. The green check marks are courses that do not require teacher recommendation for enrollment. These are courses such as physical education, health, and other elective courses. If you plan on taking a semester course, such as health or speech, you only need to select one semester, not two. Once you have made your selection, scroll down to the bottom and click OK. Before submitting your online schedule, you cannot have any red exclamation marks on your screen. You also cannot submit your schedule if you do not have the minimum required credits. All 9th, 10th, and 11th grade students need to schedule 6 classes per semester. Seniors may schedule a minimum of 5 classes, but remember the rules that govern athletic eligibility. PE only counts as 0.25 credits and does not count as a full class, so you may need to add an additional class. The maximum number of credits a student can take is 7. If you go above 7, you will not be able to submit your schedule. An exception to this rule would be if you are taking marching band, because that course is 1.25 credits. For example, we will look at the above scheduled classes and see how many credits there are. So we have 2 semesters of English 9 equaling 1 credit, 2 semesters of Algebra 1, Biology, and Modern World History, 2 semesters of choir, 2 semesters of French 1, and 1 semester of health. These classes all add up to 6.5 credits. This is an appropriate number of credits for a freshman, sophomore, or junior because it falls in the minimum of 6 and maximum of 7 range. Once you have selected all of your courses, there will be a Submit button at the bottom. If you receive an error message, it may be due to not having a prerequisite fulfilled for a class. You may have not selected a matching fall and spring semester for a year-long course, or you may not have scheduled enough credits, or you may have scheduled too many credits. Edit accordingly until you are able to submit. Thank you for watching, and please see your school counselor with questions.